That's world star right now.
For those that don't know, this is Seek One's limo.
You don't know, and now you know.
Lee thinks he's a professional drifter. Those who've never done rear wheel bearings need one of these. We don't have the right equipment, so I put a hole, made a hose, and we're gonna blow it.
What are you doing, Mr. Kevin? He's blowing the fluid up into the stiff. He's blowing in, he's got a tube and it's going up. He could just turn it upside down and squeeze it in.
We in the limo. About to go for a ride.
Top of the window seat on the way back. Window seat.
This thing got like a stall in it.
It's a limo.
That guy's probably right. Perfect parallel park spot. It's like Huey Magoo's knew we were coming. We hungry. We're gonna go play.
We're gonna go play.
It's a hot summer day. We're gonna go get wet. Wet like willies.
You're gonna turn left right here. just ran that squirrel over.
Was it already dead?
No.
Oops. Hey, we got dinner. How deep is it? Woo-hoo. For those watching, camera died, but all this factory crap was on this thing. So when you cranked it up, couldn't tell it was running. So what we did is cut it out, bringing it out, 45ing it off. I gotta get more pipe, but we're gonna run it. There's gonna be chrome tips. Come out about right there. They're gonna be sliced off at an angle, hopefully going with the body line, as long as this works out correctly. So, trying to get things done here. Can't do overhead worth of crap, so we'll take what we can get. We've done a few things. The grill bothered me because it was the same color as the car, so painted it black. We got HIDs coming. Got a hood ornament coming that fits there. Set up, and trying to decide if we want to do orange LEDs in the side lights, or if we just want to put white LED strips and clean those up and do them as a fluorescent orange laminate on the outside. So we're just pittering with it. Today we have a special guest.
So technically, should have been running that thing the whole time.
Probably.
All the work y'all been doing on. Dang. There's 10
that's
pounds.
clear.
There's 10 pounds of sweat in here.
Yep. Probably.
The old hot box.
I'm gonna go.
No, there's no drain holes in here like they said.
No.
They told us there was drain holes in it, but there ain't.
Well, we can put them in here.
Yep.
They're easy.
You go to Home Depot and buy the little round
We ain't
ones,
gonna be
drill it
spending
out,
nothing
whole
here.
solid.
Well, I do need to silicone that roof again though. Drew said it was pouring through it
Again?
after you did it. Now he might exaggerate it pouring, but
I mean, I can go get another tube of silicone. It's not a big deal.
no, I mean we need to. I don't want, after doing all this, I really prefer not to get wet.
Well, if it's rhino lined inside, I don't
but
care.
You still don't want it to get wet. I mean, all this wood don't need to have moisture in it neither.
That's true. All right, let's get this carpet.
Yeah.
This crap sucks. Feeling all right?
Might as well jump in the pool.
Well, we can make that happen too. On the way back from lunch, Going to give him back the limo. Took advantage of him driving. Of course, you got Austin in the back. Look at that girl, ain't she cute?
Oh yeah. Ready.
So we're gonna see what Lee's expression is when he sees what all's done to the limo. And they're gonna take it home today, and we will see what it turns into over the long run. They might be giving it away on their channel into deer season time. And that's about it. Well, here they come.
A brush guard?
I had to. You run into stuff sometimes.
So this is Kevin. He's the guy that has brought the limo out of the grave. Not only out of the grave, you put some spunk back in her now.
Had to. You can't just fix something and not add stuff to it.
We can't give this thing away.
It just
we can't give it away.
just feels good going down the road with that rack right on the front. I don't know what it was yesterday.
Is this a new grill or just
I just painted it. You had it all one color. I couldn't deal with it.
Oh no. I'm gonna have a really because all right, before you did it I was like, you know what, it's scraps, like we're gonna just give her away, get her fixed, like just get it working, give it away. It's gonna be tough to do, man.
Well, if you give it away, we can get a newer version. If you get a newer version, the motors are more tunable. I'm gonna let him start it.
Dude, wait. What is this thing? What did y'all do to this thing? Oh my gosh. Start it?
Fire it up. It don't start anymore. It fires up.
Oh my god. Go ahead, we can't give this away. Go ahead and pop it. Oh my god. Yeah! Woo!
You do have to watch your legs getting in the limo after it ran for a little while.
This is the sexiest thing I've ever seen.
Oh,
This is unbelievable.
So I did away with the halogens. And I did
orange LED. Orange LED. It lights up. Oh my. Nighttime LED, it is so bright.
I did HIDs in the front headlights so you can see better.
Yeah, so.
Dude, I'm blown away. Dude, the inside?
So we ripped your nasty stained carpet from the 90s we're not going to talk about. And then Jay built your panel wall. And Austin, my bad. I was not available that day.
This thing just hit
It was so
a whole
freaking
nother
nasty
level.
in here, man.
It actually smells nice. Like it doesn't smell.
So there's a reaction. We're gonna go ahead and call this. But they're gonna take the limo home. All fine and dandy and ready. Pods ain't lighting up. So we're gonna go hang out with Seek One for a little while and get out of here. Hi guys, thanks for watching. This is Kevin and Austin. Say hi.
What's up?
With Unruly Motorsports, he's quiet. He's like Silent Bob. I'm like Jay. So this video is just all about the Seek One limo. They brought it here. We've been talking about doing a channel for several years, and we got kind of pushed through Lee and Jay. Really good people. They got the limo back, as you can see in the video. Yes, this is the first video.
So it's gonna be terrible.
We did slap it together. We were a little caught off guard. I expected to have at least 2 weeks after Lee and them film picking up the limo, which Drew did his wonders like always and got it done rather quickly. But so we slapped this together in a 24-hour period with just what we had footage-wise. This is the first video of many. We should have one within the next week or two of explaining what we do, what we're about. We're gonna have some footage of stuff that we've done, cars, side-by-sides, whatever. Please subscribe. If you watch this video, there's a link in there. You can click to go to the Seek One channel. If you're not familiar with them, subscribe to their channel. The limo that we put together is being given away as well. So if you follow the recent video, the trophy room at Lee's house, all the information is in there. The link, if you subscribe, you can enter to win it. The limo's awesome. Other than that, we like going fast and doing stuff that's not supposed to be done. One of the most recent projects coming up, 2016 Denali, Yukon. You know, let's haul the kids as fast as we can. Shooting for 1,000 plus. We've got his Civic sitting here, built, which should be making more than it is. Makes 630 right now. And this dyno clip right here is the reason it didn't make more. So always check your straps around your dyno. Make sure no dump tubes are pointing on the straps. They will melt, they will snap. Thanks for Jason Waters tuning. He stood in, did what he needed to do in the situation. Slowed it down from being more of a failure than it was. So that car will be going back on the dyno in a future video. And we're gonna see how far an 8 Series can go.
Yep.
Full sin,
Full
900
sin.
plus. That car will also be going all-wheel drive. We got this MK4 Supra here. It's going to be getting a full restoration. Paint, body, interior. Single turbo kit. It's originally a 5-speed car, NA, non-turbo. It's been converted. We did a VVTi, GTE, twin turbo swap. He's driving it, he enjoys it. So plenty of more content to come. Please subscribe, please follow. And thanks to everybody that helped us out on this. Erica Dale, she cut the vinyls. Jay Maxwell with Seek One, of course. He came and helped us do the interior, did the walls, everything. And thank you, Andrew Doyle, for the assistance in welding that I did not need, but you wanted to do. You're welcome. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks from us at Unruly Motorsports. Thanks from Seek One. And hope you enjoy the videos and hope you enjoy the videos to come. See ya.
What you think? My life is complete. You don't understand.